How to fix Instagram black screen. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix it in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is just watch the video until the end. So all what you have to do first is just open the settings on your phone and then scroll, go to the apps manager and then go to the apps right here. Go to apps. Now here all what you have to do is wait a few seconds. It will give you all the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll down until you find Instagram, as you can see right here. If you didn't find it, just go to this search bar and search for Instagram. Click on it, and now all what you have to do here is just go to the notifications management and then make sure to enable the notifications. Go back, click on force stop right here, go to the permissions, make sure all the permissions are enabled. Go back again and this time click on the data usage, make sure that all those network access options are enabled from the first one to the last one. And that's it, guys. Now you have to restart your phone and reopen Instagram, and congratulations. Don't forget to like, subscribe.